एवरीवन, आपने बार्टेंडर सुना है लेकिन मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट नहीं सुना है। चलिए आइए मैं बता दूं आपको मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट होता क्या है। सबको पता होगा बार्टेंडर क्या है, बट मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट जब ये वर्ड आता है कोई कोई कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, कहीं मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट बार्टेंडर तो नहीं है और बार्टेंडर ही मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट तो नहीं है। यस, दोनों सिमिलर है बट दोनों में बहुत ज्यादा अंतर है। हम यही पता करेंगे आज अंतर क्या है। एक्चुअली फर्स्ट हम ये बताएंगे व्हाट इज ए मिक्सोलॉजिस्ट। A mixologist is essentially a bartender with creative twist. They are responsible for so many things actually. They are responsible to manage their bar. They are responsible to make the drinks, to mix the drinks, especially the cocktail. They are responsible to make a new creative ideas, creative cocktail in an upcoming or trending market. They are the driver for your bar. That's called a mixologist. What are the responsibilities there for a mixologist? We will see today. The first, they are specialized in the art and science of mixing drinks, especially the cocktail. So they are all specialized on that. Often creative new recipes, newly creative recipes they used to introduce in the market, experiment with ingredient and element drink presentation. They used to upcoming with new ideas or special recipes, special ingredient for trending cocktail. The deep knowledge of spirit, liquors, bitters and infusion or flavor of spirit always has to be there in the mixologist. So basically you can say that a bartender, they used to focus to make the drinks, serve the drinks, taking the order from the guest, interact with the guest. But what a mixology used to do, mixology, they are there in your bar basically for drive deeper into the craft, much like chef in a high end in the kitchen. What chef used to do in the kitchen? They used to drive the kitchen. They used to create a new dishes every day. Today this dishes name is that, some ingredient will be changed, tomorrow the same dishes name will be different. That's the work for a head chef who is driving to the kitchen. Same things for a mixologist. They will change some ingredient on the cocktail and they will drive to your bar to in a different, uplifting to your bar and the business. So that's the mixologist work. So these all are the mixologist is responsibilities or mixologist work is there in the cocktail recipes. So these all are the things we know as a mixologist. Okay, thank you so much, and any doubt, any questions is there, please let me know, kindly comment below. Thank you.